Al Green is an American singer, songwriter, pastor, and record producer. At around the age of 10, Al began performing with his sister in a group called the Greene Brothers. During the late 1950s, the Greene family relocated to Grand Rapids, Michigan. While still a teenager, Al was kicked out of the family home after his devoutly religious father caught him listening to Jackie Wilson. Greene is a canonical Memphis soul artist. He collaborated closely with many of Memphis's most notable R&B musicians, a long and prolific partnership with producer or arranger Willie Mitchell, and the high rhythm section yielded Greene's greatest commercial success. Greene was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1995. He was referred to on the museum's site as being one of the most gifted purveyors of soul music. He has also been referred to as the last of the great soul singers. Greene is the winner of 11 Grammy Awards, including the Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award. He has also received the BMI Icon Award and is Kennedy Center Honors recipient. He was included in the Rolling Stone list of the 100 greatest artists of all time, ranking at number 65, as well as its list of the 200 greatest singers of all time at number 10. On October 18, 1974, Greene's girlfriend Mary Woodson assaulted him and then died by suicide at his Memphis home. Although